Today, we're going to talk about 5 dysfunctions of a team. It's a model by a guy called Patrick Lencioni. It's fundamental in the way you gain trust with your team. And when you have that trust, a whole world opens up. Then you can actually get into that form of kind of healthy conflict. So people can challenge you and say, you know what, Nick, that should have been done a little bit better, or that could be done a different way, because I will take that conflict from somebody else or that challenge because I truly trust them. Once we've gone through that piece around the conflict, that's when we get into committing to change and really thinking about what that commitment can look like. So you know what, this is what I'm going to do going forward. Then we're going to hold each other accountable. I'm going to be happy to someone else accountable because I trust them, they're going to hold me accountable, and I'll hold myself accountable as well. And that's how we get results. Now, it's easy to say to have trust with a team. It's easy to say, yeah, I really trust Bob or trust Sam or whoever. But the key here is, how do you gain trust? And this is where the magic happens. If you show vulnerability to somebody else in your team, you are much more likely to gain trust with that human being. So don't be afraid to show vulnerability. Share some of your weaknesses, some of your fears, or whatever they may be. Share some stories about when you were growing up or where you come from, or share some of your failures. By sharing those failures, you'll gain trust from somebody else. Be vulnerable. It's absolutely okay. So have a think about what your vulnerability could look like. Think about somebody in your team and go and share it with them, right? And see where that leads.